this lecture, we are going to see domain SEO visibility. To explain what is domain SEO visibility, let me show you with an example. In this Google search page, I have searched for the keyword WordPress website. The first result is an ad. So let's skip that and move on to the first organic search result, which belongs to the domain wordpress.com. The second result is from wordpress.org. Only the fifth or sixth result is from siteground.com. So, even if siteground.com optimizes its page or post for WordPress website keyword, the chances of appearing in the first search result is very less. This is because of domain SEO visibility score of the domain wordpress.com. This score can be easily measured and is available in several tools such as Search Metrics Suite. Here I have searched for wordpress.com and you can see that the SEO visibility score of wordpress.com is around 422,000, whereas for wordpress.org the score is 215,000. But the score for siteground.com is just 16,000. That's why even if siteground.com optimizes its page for the keyword WordPress website, it has very lesser chance to appear in the first search result compared to wordpress.com. So now you could have understood that the importance of domain SEO visibility is much more higher than optimizing your page for a popular keyword. Let's see the research data in 2015. Always the first Google search result is an exception and it will not follow our pattern of research. So let's analyze from the second search result to the 30th one. Here the second search result has got a score of about 10 million, that's around 11 million actually, whereas the domain SEO visibility score for the 30th search result is somewhere around 2 million. That's why if you want to buy a domain name, don't look for the keyword. Instead, choose a good brand name and develop that brand name so that people can search for the direct domain name in Google search. So, to increase domain SEO visibility, the domain should have got two important things. The first thing is number of backlinks from high authority domains. For example, WordPress.com has got many authoritative links from several websites such as Facebook, Pinterest, Google+, and several other websites too. We can easily see that using Open Site Explorer. This domain authority score is same as SEO visibility score by Search Metrics, whereas Moz names it as domain authority, and that domain authority for WordPress.com is 96 out of 100. This means it has got so many established links from so many authoritative domains. Here you can see that WordPress.com has got 126,000 links from several other authoritative root domains, and the total links amounts to 7.8 million, which is not an easy task to attain. That's why WordPress has got the higher domain authority or domain SEO visibility. The second factor that improves domain SEO visibility is that people should directly search for that domain name. Coming to the research data, it's obvious that search volume of domain name has got higher importance as it has a correlation factor of 16%. As more people starts to search for a keyword along with your brand name, your site will start to rank better for such keywords, even without your brand name. Let's take cnet.com for example. This is one of the famous websites writing PC hardware reviews, news, gadgets, etc. But with more and more people searching for the term CNET plus some keywords in Google search such as CNET Intel processor reviews, it increases the domain SEO visibility score or domain authority score for that particular domain. That in turn increases the ranking of CNET website for keywords such as Intel processor reviews. So now you could have understood what is the meaning of domain SEO visibility or domain authority.